Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will see some wonderful and amazing kitchen and home organization ideas. I hope you are enjoying the video. If you are enjoying the video, then leave a beautiful comment to encourage me. And if you are new on my channel and didn't subscribe the channel yet, then subscribe the channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my new and upcoming videos. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with more wonderful ideas. Bye bye.